Good evening. The family of Kirsty Maxwell, who plunged to her death from a balcony in Benidorm, fear a judge will rule on the investigation before all potential witnesses are found and interviewed by police. They believe there are people with vital information about what happened on the night she died. Her father told our reporter Chris Clements he needs answers, but time may be running out.
We have extra evidence we want to present to the court. We just need a chance to present what we've collated as a family in the last 3 months. And if the judge has a look at that, then she can make her assessment of what's happened. But just have a look at what we've got.
Kirsty Maxwell plunged from a 10th floor balcony in the resort after a hen night in April. Since then, questions still remain about the minutes before her death, including why she was in a room occupied by 5 strangers and why she leapt or fell from the window. 4 men from Nottingham appeared at court in Spain to be questioned by a judge about the case. One of the men, Callum Northridge, said yesterday that the group had nothing to do with what happened to her and that it was a tragic accident. Her husband, Adam, said he was disappointed the group refused to answer questions from his lawyer. But an expert on international law explained the men were merely exercising their right to silence.
Now that's set down in the Spanish Constitution, also in the procedural law, and that also accords with international guarantees as well for people going through court. So they're not obliged to give information at this stage. They don't want to. Obviously, once they have spoken to the judge, it will be up to the judge then to carry out further investigations.
Kirsty's family have compiled their own report and are desperately trying to trace more potential witnesses.
And we know there was a girl involved somewhere along the lines. The police spoke to her. She was on the same floor. According to the police, she didn't have anything to say. We find that strange. I mean, we would like to know what she had to say.
Would you be able to accept that perhaps there are some answers that can't be found?
There is some things we feel have been missed, and these are gone, we feel now. There's maybe some evidence that it can't be sought after now because it's probably too late. You know, you get on with life, you get up, and this actually becomes a part of your life now. And it's something that, it's your normality, it's not something easy. But as a family, we've got to be strong, and we've got to, keep going.